What's up?
I'm Serial Insanity. This is Serial Insanity.
Number 139.
Hey, Flash. You want to do a team up? I need someone to help me defeat those Soggies. Those Soggies are ruining my cereal. Hey, cool, old man. But, how about if I defeat them Soggies, I get to be on the box. I get to be on the box, Captain Crunch.
Yeah, we can have a team up and be on the box together.
No, old man. I want to be the only one on the box.
Hey, check it out. So you may have seen this Flash cereal at your local Target.
Hang on. Let's migrate this way. Ow! Mama!
$5 a box. Barry Allen, alias Scarlet Speedster. Immense superhuman speed, stamina, reflexes, agility, endurance, and strength. Weakness, a banana peel. LOL. Hey Google, who's faster? Who's faster? Quicksilver or the Flash? I'm gonna guess. Based on, the movies, Flash probably faster in his depiction. But hey, Alexa, who's faster? Superman or the Flash? They look like rabbit food. I'm gonna guess Superman. Hey Google, who is faster? Sonic or the Flash? I think I looked that up before. I think it's Sonic. Hey, Alexa, who is faster? Superman or Sonic the Hedgehog? I'm a pretty little Dutch girl. Pretty as pretty can be. I eat my cinnamon bolts every day, but they're just CC. Captain Crunch. Yeah, this is dumb. I don't know why they made this, especially considering how unpopular the Flash has become, given the devious nature of the current actor portraying the character. As you saw, also available somewhere, allegedly. Oh, Mama! Strong Berry by Superman. Strong Berry by Supergirl. No Batman Bats? No Killer Croc Crunch? Come on, dude. Let's say your post. Said it wrong. My bad. Quaker Oats. Distributor the Quaker Oats. Let's say you're Quaker Oats, and you get to team up with Warner Brothers DC. You gonna pick the Flash? No crunchy Batman bats? No Aquaman or King Shark, little doohickeys? Anyway, it's straight up. It's literally a cinnamon Captain Crunch. It's an ugly box. I've never understood the appeal of Flash anyway.
Oh, you can go fast.
Good job, buddy. Did you ever see The Boys? Their Flash analog, like, ran through a human on his first day. And that just seems more realistic to me. I mean, Sonic, at least Sonic is super fast and he has the powers of an alien hedgehog. That's something. I think the only appeal really is Red. If you love Red, I could see you getting into the Flash. I mostly got into Green Lantern because it was green. But you gotta make Green Lantern. Pew pew pew. You can make constructs out of anything. Boo boo boo. Look, my arm is now an axe. Green Lantern cereal would have been awesome. Green Lantern Construct Crunch. Turns milk green. Come on, dude. Oh, but yeah. The point this is here. Because we did the Funko Flash cereal way back episode 30. Okay. This right here that you're watching now and summing it up is episode 139. And of course, the good captain, we've done his IP several times. Okay? Whenever they make a new flavor. Christmas Crunch. Halloween Crunch. Hanukkah Crunch. What else we do? Easter Crunch. National Cereal Day Crunch. Okay. In the books, in the bag, in the box, we done. Tiny box of cereal, $5 hairs. Ridiculous. Haven't seen the other two. And I don't like it. Didn't enjoy it. But thumbs up, bye.